Howdy folks, this is Sage from Ranch Armor, here today to do a install video of the Polaris 1500 bed extension. Come over here, we're going to have our tools. It's a pretty easy install. You'll need a 1/2 inch or 13 mil socket. I prefer 1/2 inch because American. And a T40 Torx bit. Then you'll need your two 5/16 F-types with your two little plastic spacers. And that's really it. We're ready to get installing. So the first step here is you're going to take your 1/2 inch socket and take out the tie downs. Just set them on over to the side. Next, just because I kind of forgot there in the beginning, there's going to be these little rubber things right here. Take them out and lose them. You don't need them. Then you'll go ahead and take your T40 Torx bit and take out these OEM screws. Be sure to keep all your hardware because it's all going right back in. Alright, and with that we're ready for the bed. Alright, now go ahead and take your tie downs. All the holes should line up, so get it right there and screw it down. Just like so. Unless it fights you, of course. Alright, now on to our Torx bits. Or Torx screws, whatever you want to call them. Just like so. And now you'll grab your 1/2 inch again. Take this little spacer, and it is a little bit of a wiggle, but it should fit right up in here. I don't know how hard that is to see, but all right. Ow, fucking. There we go. Screw it on in. And then you'll do the exact same to the other side. Sometimes they're easy like that, and sometimes they're not. And there you have the Polaris 1500 bed extension. Pretty simple install. If you have any questions, go on to our website, rancharmorutv.com, and we can give you a hand if you need any more help. Thank you all. Have a good day.